podcast. Today we talk about how can you enable reports notifications on your markets coins app. We go to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways and it's going to work with you. All you have to do so you just go here above your photo here, click on it. When you just click on it here, it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then all you have to do now, so you just click here on settings. When you just click here on settings, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then you click here on push notifications, just click on it. So then you come to next step here. Then you just go down here. So then you come here to reports. Just clicking this sign. Like you see this color show for us, that's mean reports notifications enable with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.